friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage your team members. So what are team members? Basically, if let's say you're not the only one working on your shop and you want multiple team members to start collaborating where somebody is just making sure that they're uploading images or products, the second person is taking care of orders, you can add these team members as in your account so that they can also start operating your account. So in order to do that, the first thing we are going to do is come here and go into team members. And in team members, as you can see, you're the only person which is there. In order to add a team member, I can add a team member from here. I'm going to choose internal team member. And from here, let's say I've got a team member called as Vijesh. And his email address is vijesh@gmail.com, let's say. And I'm going to assign a password. Make sure that it's a strong password, otherwise it's not going to let you in. And I'm going to, let's say, put in his mobile number. I'm just putting in a dummy mobile number. And once I've done that, I can say allow him to add products and edit products as well. And I'm going to save that. Once I've done that, basically your user will be able to access this account using this email address and the password that you've created. Once they go in, they can basically go in and reset their own password as well and change these details from user profile. So they'll be able to go into their My Profile and do all these changes necessary from here. They'll be able to change the profile picture and all those things. If you have these things ready, you can directly do it from here as well, but you can allow your team member to directly do that. So that's about it of how to create a team member. Now, one last thing in the team member is that you can even, let's say if I go back, rather than adding an internal team member, what you can do is you can add in an administrator. Now, what is the difference between an internal team member and an administrator? An internal team member is just your team member, and an administrator is somebody who already has a BIS 365 account and you want them to have admin rights as well. Let's say you are a developer yourself and you've got multiple accounts, then you can add yourself as the administrator from a client's account, and you can do that. Now this can get a little confusing, but if that's the case, you can always get in touch with us and we can show you how the administrative team members work. That's about it. Thank you.